back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. On the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and packages, etc. Except major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold it prior to arrival. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Activities or rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rules and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policies. Already shared in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel